In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up repeating invoices in Xero so you can automate your billing and save a ton of time, especially if you are sending the same invoice every week or every month. This is going to make your life way easier. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to go to the top menu and click the Sales section, and then scroll down until you find the Invoices. You will notice that there is an option for you to click the New Repeating Invoice. I want you to click on it because this is where you can manage all your automated invoices. Okay, so you need to provide the invoice to, for example, let's say in this one, if you don't have a specific contact, you have created a new one. Reference number, let's say for example, this one. Online payment is, if you want to manage, you can do that. Due date is around here. Invoice date, you can choose from April 4th if you want. For the item, you need to put in a description. Quantity is, say for example, 69. Unit price is 6.9. Discount is this. You will see that it's automatically calculated by Xero, so you don't have to do anything from it. If you want to add a new line, you can do so. Now, if you want to add note, you can do that as well. Click the save button. And then finally, if you want a full automation, all I have to do is click the save button. And once you've done that, basically it's like creating a normal invoice, but it will repeat automatically. That's it for today's video on how you set up repeating invoices in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.